Very shortly you will see the cabin crew moving around the cabin, but can we ask you please to stay in your seats with your seatbelts securely fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt signs above your head. For your convenience today, there's one toilet in front of row 1 and 2 toilets behind row 32. For those passengers using the very front toilet, due to the close proximity to the flight deck door, could we ask you please to stay in the cabin section and not stand in the galley area. There are baby changing tables in all of the toilets. Can we ask you please to dispose of the nappy in the waste paper provided, which you'll find located underneath this sink.